In Oklahoma, Mexican food is a favorite all across the state. And in the southwest town of Altus, they're serving up tasty Mexican meals at the Plaza Restaurant.
I sell Mexican food, as I can say Tex-Mex.
Serving up their family recipes since 2010, the Plaza has lots of fan favorites like the fajitas and Taco Locos.
But Taco Locos, they're like street tacos. It's beef steak, grill, and topping with onion, cilantro, avocado, served with our great charro beans. Our best seller is our famous crispy rellenos. Those are really, really good too. Crispy rellenos, they're made of Anaheim peppers. They're stuffed with the choice of beef, chicken, or cheese, or fajita, and we use our own crushed cracker butter. And they serve with a bed of queso, rice and beans, guacamole salad.
The customers we talked to had several must-try items on the menu.
We have a couple favorites. Today I got the Mexican fajitas, which are regular fajitas, but they have jalapenos and tomatoes in it instead of the bell peppers. And then my other favorite is Tacos Locos.
I get the pollo asado sometimes, or the Mexican tacos, or the Tacos Locos and the Mexican fajitas.
If you've got kiddos with you, they will find plenty to love on the Plaza's menu too.
Chicken strips.
What'd you get, Mason?
Rice and beans.
The queso and house-made chips and salsa are best sellers as well.
It tastes yummy.
Try out the Plaza Restaurant the next time you're in Altus for Mexican food so good, you'll be planning your next trip before you leave.
To come and experience a good Mexican food, good service, and a good atmosphere, and nice people.